Okay, the moment of assembling the desk of my dreams, it's finally here. So let's find out what I just bought. Okay, let's open it up. Okay, and let's see. Okay, so this is an electric desk and I bought it from Amazon. Was the cheapest one that I could find. I looked up on IKEA, on Conforama and other stores that we have available here, but all of them were just like 300 plus francs, and for that reason I decided to buy the electric desk, just the feet, separately from the top, and then I bought the top from IKEA, and today we're going to assemble the desk and the top on it, and it's going to be awesome because I think these electric feet are very good, and we're going to find out today. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so what we have here? We have the manual, we have, okay, let's see, the bag with all the screws and accessories and the tools to build up. Then we have the charger, some cable management, I believe, one leg, another leg, and the feet. And now take this off, one leg, I believe. Then we have a leg. The legs are extremely heavy. So this is the leg with the motor. This are the arms to put the tabletop. All right, good. Then we have the feet for the legs, and here we have other leg. The legs are very heavy, all stainless steel, I believe, except the feet, they have plastic pads. And finally we have, oh, and here we have the controller to regulate the height of the desk. So it has two levels, predefined levels, level 1 and level 2, and then you can regulate it manually to go up and down. Excellent. And this is the brand ERGOMAKER. Okay, so we're going to start by putting the legs side by side, okay, like this. Then we need this black stick, and the stick goes in here and in here as well. Okay, so I have to put the stick inside here and inside here, and align with two holes here to put a screw. So now we're going to find the screw here. It's in this little bag. Okay, this one, and we're going to screw it in this little hole. This will make the black stick to fit on this leg. It's done here. All right, now I think it's time to put it the way I want it in terms of width. I don't know, but I'm gonna leave it like this. Now next, grab this I believe. Yeah, so the bigger holes need to be outside, and these little supports have to be on the top of the table. So this is the bottom and this is the top. So these supports are probably going to support the table. These are the screws we need now. Yep. So now I'm gonna do the same thing in the other side. So I have to put this up. As you can see here, it has this edge, metal edge, and I have to slide the screw from here, and when it's on place I just pinch it with the screwdriver and I believe it goes in. So let's try again. Slide it in, pinch it, and it's in. All right, so if you have this one and have some problems in putting it in, just do like I did right now. Done. All right, turn this upside down like this. The structure is very stable. That gives me a lot of comfort. I just hope that the electronics work for a long time, because in this setup, what it's important really, aside the structure being safe and stable and all of that, what we want here is a good electronics to produce in the time. This is very straightforward in my opinion. Take the bigger screws now. I believe these ones and 4 as well. You see the bigger ones? The feet are in place, the structure as well. Now what we have to do next is simply put these arms in. So I have to turn it over again. So, oh fuck. 1, 2, and boom. It's pretty elegant, huh? All white, very nice. I like it a lot, really. Okay, and let's be honest, most of the electric tables are all the same. The electronics are the same, the motors are the same, and then the brands just brand it and put the price they want. So far so good. Next, arms. Grab the arms. One here and another here with this part pointing up because this is going to support the tabletop. 4 more screws, this time the small ones. So let's put one here, so like this, and 2, and it's done. So this is the minimum width that we can get with the table, and it's pretty stable. I think it's almost everything. We just need to connect the electronics and all that stuff and put the tabletop and it's done. Let's go to grab the tabletop and the final width, and then we put the electronics in. All right, so let's go. Okay, so here I am with the tabletop. I bought this tabletop after a lot of indecision. I was between three options. The first one was a white tabletop. The second one was a wood fake tabletop from IKEA, and the white one as well from IKEA, and the last one was hardwood. So I just decided by going with the tabletop the white tabletop, and because the real wood was too heavy and I was afraid that the support, right, the electric legs couldn't support the weight, and so I dropped that option, but was a great option as well. Then the fake wood tabletop was a great one as well, but because of the color, I believe that couldn't be the best option because I want to record some top view videos, and so I just went for the safest one, that was white tabletop. I decided to go with 60 instead of 80, although I love the 80. It was what I had prior to this setup, and that's because we have a lot going on the living room, and this is ideal for the space. So let's open it up. Take all the plastic. But hey, the complete setup, so the electronic legs and the tabletop all together was about 130 francs, so $150. So the cheapest one in IKEA and on Conforama and other stores was 300 and something. So I think I made a pretty good deal. So let's unveil the table. Beautiful. 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 Now what I have to do to make this right is just decide the width of the table, the legs, and then measure the middle of the table to screw the tabletop to the legs. So I'm gonna do that now. Okay. Yep. Great. Okay, so this is a mess now. I'm gonna organize the cables and all that stuff, and I'm gonna test right now the electronics of the table, right? And put it on the level of the Alex, because I'm thinking about putting the Alex down here if it gets okay. And yeah, so let's do that. Okay, so here we have the board to control the up and down. Here we have the charger, and then we have the motor here. So let's connect everything and see how it goes. Okay, so I decided to go with 1 meter height from this arm to the other. So let's reset the table again. So let's connect this. So as you can see, one cable goes from here to the outlet and the other goes to the motor. So let's turn on the motor and now turn on the charger. All right, so it's done. All right, so let's reset it again. So down, okay. Reset it. Well, I think it's done really. Okay, the two. Okay, it works. So, and I can stop it when I want it. And does the table has more features. So you can program the levels, and for that you just long press the numbers at the height it is at that given time. So if I want to save here the number 1, I just press the 1 for about 5 seconds and just saves at this height in number 1. And then we can do another thing, that it's lock the table, and for that we just press these two buttons, the up and down button, all together, and appears lock. So it's locked now. I can't do anything. Let's put this cardboard here to avoid scratching the surface. Put the legs in there. After it's all together, the legs and all that stuff, the legs are a lot lighter. Let's find the middle and then screw all this. We're going to screw it. As we all know, all the tabletops from IKEA have, I don't know, empty fills. It's like cardboard in waves, and so I hope some of these screws get some hard wood. Okay, so let's see. Oh God, this is heavy. Okay, let's try like this. 1, 2, win. Up. Good. Very good. Okay, now that all is in place, I'm gonna install the controller. All right. Okay, so to align it, I need to see. So 20 centimeters. So it's 20 centimeters. So let's put this on 20 and register that. So about here, and another here, and yeah, that's good. Now here we're going to okay, I'm gonna leave like 1.5 centimeters from the outer part, so that it's going to be like here, here, and here. All right, so it's probably enough. So let's put it in. I probably should show you what I just did. So I marked 20 centimeters from here to here, and then I took 1 centimeter from here to the inside. So there's where I'm going to get the measurements. So the measurements right. All right, so let's put this in place like that. And now okay, I can regulate it. So yeah. So it's in. Okay, so let's connect everything again. So this goes here, and now the charger goes here, place. Okay, it's going down, and now let's go up. Let's stop it. Yeah, great, works fine. So excellent. Let's put everything on top of the table. Then I'll reorganize the cables and all that stuff. I want to fit in the Alex unit if I can. And yeah, that's all. So let's do it. So the first thing is the monitor because it can fall. So let's put it here. Done. Here. All right. I'm sorry, but I have to try it and see. This is awesome. For a long time that I wanted this, and I'm very excited to work on it because yeah, it's very comfortable, really. And this is a lot higher than I expected. I'm 1 meter and 70, and this doesn't stop. Okay, this is probably for a 2 meter guy. So I'm gonna choose a comfortable zone for me to work like this. So I believe it's like a little bit less. So yeah, I believe this is great, like this. Yeah, this is good. So I just press 5 seconds in the level 2 and it's set. I have to assemble the new share that I'm going to use in this setup, and you're going to watch it as well. So if you haven't already subscribed, do it and like the video, and leave any comments below about any question that you have about this setup. Let me know in the comments and I'll be happy to share with you all the things about it. So I have this beautiful desk, electric desk, my Alex unit, a beautiful PC and monitor, and this ugly chair. So I have to change it. So this is the new chair of the office. So let's assemble it. Let's go.